In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate an invoice in QuickBooks Online. This straightforward process will help you save time, especially if you frequently issue similar invoices. Now, let's get started. First, you're going to want to navigate to QuickBooks and sign in. Once you're on their homepage, look for the sign in option, typically located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it and proceed by selecting QuickBooks Online from the list of available options. This will direct you to the login page where you need to enter your credentials. Remember, it's important to keep your login information secure. Fill in your email and password, then click continue to access your account. Once you're logged in, the next step is to locate the sales section. You can usually find this option within the side panel on the left of your screen. Click on Sales. Under this section, you'll want to navigate directly to the Invoices tab. You'll see a list of your existing invoices displayed right in front of you. Now here comes the crucial part of duplicating an invoice. Find the specific invoice you wish to duplicate and look to the right side of this listed invoice. You'll notice a small drop-down arrow. Click on this drop-down arrow, which reveals additional options regarding what you can do with this invoice. Among these options, you should see Duplicate. Click on Duplicate, and a new identical invoice will be created for you. This duplicated invoice will open in a new window, and it's ready for any modifications you might want to make. Now, take a moment to revise your duplicated invoice as needed. You might need to update details like the date or the line items, or perhaps adjust quantities or prices to match the specific requirements of your transaction. Ensure all details are accurate before proceeding, as this will save you time rectifying errors later. QuickBooks allows you to make these changes before finalizing the invoice, so be thorough here. Finally, once you're satisfied with your modifications, it's time to save your new invoice. Look for the Save button, often located towards the bottom of the screen. Clicking Save will ensure your revised invoice is stored correctly in your QuickBooks account, ready for tracking and management along with your other records. And there you have it, a duplicated invoice in QuickBooks Online. By following these simple steps, you've quickly and efficiently created a new invoice based on an existing template. This method is a great way to streamline your invoicing process, keeping it both efficient and consistent. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Happy invoicing!